Listen to this.
Okay.
Got them Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom.
Alright peeps, guess what? It's your boy here, Kings23 Kicks, back in the building. Got another exclusive for y'all, man. Trying to give y'all some early looks, and this is what I'm out here trying to do, man, here on the grind. Y'all already know the grind don't stop. So, today, just like it says off in the description, this is why you click. I'm gonna give y'all a early look at the Chinese New Year Air Jordan 13. Yeah. Don't have it exactly in my possession, but I'm gonna give y'all the early look, all right? Stay tuned, be right there. Let's go get it. So check this out. First thing is we have pink box. So that's one of the things that we're gonna say is a plus. I like that the Jordan box is pink. The information is there. So the book is going to come. And let's go ahead and get into it. So as you can see, the paper is going to have the Chinese New Year design on here. So, no special box, not your normal Jordan pink box. What actually is your kind of normal pink box, but it's going to be pink with the black Jumpman on here. Tagging info. Check that out. And say the double wrap. That's sticker, y'all already know. And busting that bad boy out of there, man. This is real clean. This is a real clean shoe. This is one of the ones that I'm actually gonna have to go ahead and grab out there. So, digging into the shoe, you have that same print on the shoe that is on the paper. So, real clean, real detailed. As you can see, it's kind of perforated, so it's raised up on the upper. You have your tan brown suede there, standard Jordan, and this is not leather. The whole upper of the shoe is suede, including the tongue, toe box. Let's see. Let's check and see if we have that back and forward motion. So we do have a little bit of back and forward motion, not much. You guys can see that. Let's see if we can. Just a little bit, just a little bit. You know, standard Jordan 13 on the back. Pink floorboard. I already know. Gold Jumpman. With that soft pink and that gold on the back. That pink, for me, the pink midsole just kind of sets this off, and that's what makes me really want to grab this shoe. That's your hologram. This is fire shoe, man. And the tongue. There you have. It's rubber tongue instead of the normal Jumpman, so this is rubber, and it is raised. You can see that. So they're black and white. This side of the floor. Let's see. Side of the floor. Pink Jumpman. Pink floor. Black Jumpman. We do have that cream floorboard, which is the same colors as the rest of the shoe. That may be your shoes because you if you do white, you know, the sock liners do get dirty. But I mean, this is one where you should be wearing cream socks or white socks. I like the cream laces that actually match it. It would be good if this did come with like some pink laces. That would actually set it off, man. So there you guys have it. Y'all comment down below, let me know what y'all guys think of the Chinese New Year Jordan 13 that is coming out, man. Me, this is going to be a quick strike. It's going to be coming out real quick, real soon. So I already know reservations will probably open up real soon. Y'all let me know what you think. Comment down below. Is this something that you guys are gonna cop? Or is this a pass? Let me know. Jordan 13. Ready review. Let me know if you guys are gonna grab these. Chinese New Year 13. Me? I'm definitely grabbing this. This is a cop. This is a definite cop. So I know I'm gonna be grabbing my pair. Let me know if you guys are gonna grab yours. Right? Alright, so there you have it. There was the Chinese New Year 13. I'm really feeling that one, man. Like I was saying a few moments ago, I'm really feeling that one. That is one that I'm actually gonna have to try to grab. Now, keep in mind that is a quick strike, so more likely they are going to be doing raffles for it. It does not come in GS sizing or anything like that. This is going to be men's sizing only, as far as I can tell from what I've been told. So it's going to be men's sizing only. Doesn't mean that you ladies can't grab it, because I understand it does have pink in it. But I mean, that to me, that's a fire shoe. Can't wait to grab that. So y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about that, man. I greatly appreciate y'all boys for tuning in. You ladies for tuning in. Like I always say to my kings, stand up, rule your kingdom. And all my queens, make sure that you stand beside your king. And always remember, it's always the right time to do the right thing. Y'all make sure that y'all subscribe to the channel, like, share. Give me a thumbs up if you like the content, man. It goes a long way. So I can keep doing these videos for y'all, man. I greatly appreciate y'all for tuning in. Hey, and if you just happen to come across my video, go check out my old videos, man. Go to my archives, go through those, comment on those, give me thumbs up or thumbs down if you have to. It is what it is. I take all feedback with a grain of salt. You know what I'm saying? But I definitely appreciate y'all for tuning in. Definitely appreciate y'all taking out time at your day to watch my videos. Hey, y'all have a great day. Until the next time, see y'all, man. Peace.